Three, two, one. Hi guys. So today for assignment 26, we are going to be doing the background for our PNG name logo. I heard a lot of people already kind of talking about, oh, I want to put a background in, and that's exactly what we're doing today. The key that we are focusing on is common sizes and using our PNG logo. In graphic design terms, that's called an asset. It's something that you can kind of keep using again and again. Usually it ends up being like a logo on YouTube or in a video, like some common graphics. So what we're going to do is, looking at number 26, there's going to be 4 images you're going to make. You're going to use your logo on a 720p image, a 1080p image, and then a Facebook banner, and then a YouTube mobile banner. And I have the slides for both of those right here. They're a little unusual, but you're going to be able to create those manually in Pixlr when you create a new image. So first thing that we do is something that all of us should be really good at. We're going to look for a cool image. I'm going to click cool school image. And I'm going to go to Google Images. And what size am I going to go to? I'm going to go to Tools. I'm going to click Size. And I'm going to go to Exactly. Underneath Size, I'm going to go to Exactly and do 1280 width by 720 height. You could invert those if you want. If you want a longer, like a portrait image, that's fine. So I'm just going to grab one of these. Oh, these are all terrible. How about just awesome? Okay. Oh, KFC. Great. Okay, so I'm going to take this KFC image here. There we go. Save image as. I'm going to save that 720p KFC image, and I'm going to go over to Pixlr. As you see some of my examples here. So I'm going to go to File, Open Image. I'm going to get my KFC image, and then I'm going to import my PNG logo. Open New Image. Double-click my PNG logo. Remember, if you don't know where you have it saved, you can just download it again from assignment 25. Then I'm going to do the same thing we did yesterday. I'm going to go to, I'm just going to cut it, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it down. So I am going to, if you maximize, you can click on the top right of Pixlr to get to it. I'm going to go A, X, and go back to my, and then V to paste. So now I've pasted my logo on top of this KFC image. The thing you're going to have to keep in mind when doing these 4 images is some logos, some of your names won't look good on some of the images. Like if your name's really dark, it's not going to look good on a dark image. How you can work around that is you can use the adjustments up here to change brightness or contrast. You can also use layer styles to add a drop shadow. And to maybe change that drop shadow to something lighter, and that can really help bring out the image depending on where it's at. So I'm going to do Mr. Higgins, KFC, and to do this assignment, I want you to make it look cool, but to get an A, you just need to get all 4, get them in, and make sure that the names can be read and that they're not blending into the background, and that's going to be 100% on assignment 26. When you turn in all 4, make sure you save them as JPEGs. So save it as a JPEG, and have a great time. I'm going to let you get to it. Bye.